No! Oh, he almost died. He is almost died.
Oh, man. Get him.
I'm trying to
Get him.
yes. Ow.
Wow. There's a Congo right next to you.
Ow.
And a destroyer.
Grab me.
This is Admiral Shane Nelson approaching from south-southeast, headed to coordinates Echo 8 Foxtrot Zulu Charlie. Do you copy?
Who are you?
This is Admiral Shane Nelson. I got a distress call from a Captain Douglas Chase. I'm commandeering the mission and the command. Head at bearing north to Echo 6. Command code Foxtrot Charlie.
We don't want to go there.
You will follow orders, sir. I'm your commanding officer.
I don't think so.
So, I am the commander, so you have to obey me.
I will have you court-martialed. Okay, incoming aircraft. Incoming aircraft coming from the west.
Die.
Is this guy for real?
Oh.
We got him down. Look alive, we have bogeys to our 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock cruiser.
Wow, you're talking.
I am engaging the enemy and under attack.
I guess you're on your own.
Reposition at coordinates Echo 4.
No.
How about we just stay alive?
Yeah, that is the plan. So. Oh, crap. I'm going to see.
This is Commander Shane Nelson reporting for duty.
Well, I am the boss of...
How did you get on our comm leaks? Maintain radio silence.
People saying.
Stay on your toes, boys. Something just pinged on my radar.
Good luck and fair seas.
Doug, what did I tell you about maintaining radio silence?
Help is on the way.
Too bad. It's not...
Okay. Captain HRH, have you had a little bit to drink today? Don't you know we're at war? Fall in, soldier.
You hit me.
Look alive, guys. I think the enemy's about to pop up to the south of the Bravo location, loading heat rounds.
You are so annoying. That's saying it.
Something is on radar on Bravo. I don't have a visual. Does anybody have a visual? Over.
No.
No, if you speak again, we will
Okay,
kill
that's a
you.
negative on the visual. Bravo, rendezvous, up, there they are, 12 o'clock, bogeys, destroyers,
Wow.
under fire.
Well, they zip.
Engaging the enemy.
Don't fire at your allies.
What the hell? Get out of the way, Captain Doug.
Dude, you fire me. And so you. Hey.
Shots fired. Loading secondaries.
That,
I got bogeys to the west. bogeys to the west. Gamma 6 Foxtrot Charlie. Open fire. I'm under attack. I'm in a bad spot. Loading secondaries.
Wow, you're so
Reverse engines, quick!
You're very terrible.
Secondaries. Torpedoes in the water. H2, you're 3 o'clock. Look alive.
Wow.
Torpedo support.
Ah!
Ah.
Well, I got a sink out of it. That's good.
Taking heavy fire from the enemy. Need some support.
No.
On fire.
No.
Doug needs support.
Yes, I need
Enemy
support.
warship destroyed. Secondaries engaging. Engaging the enemy.
Problem solved, sir.
He's right on my 6. I need some help.
Well, sorry.
SOS.
It's your fault. Yeah.
Ooh, good hit, Doug.
Enemy warship sunk
Enemy cruiser.
at west of Bravo Rendezvous.
Is taking the lead.
6 Foxtrot.
But you just kind of annoying.
Doug, get in the cover. I can't help you.
Too bad. It's my life. And
Doug is doing quite fine.
yeah, I'm fine. Thank you so much.
Shots away! Direct hit.
Oh crap. There.
Engaging battleship.
Ouch.
Shots away. Direct
Our
hit.
victory is in sight.
Another direct hit.
Get him, Doug.
No.
Oh, someone's gonna steal your kill.
Oh, it's fine.
I was dead.
That would be me.
We destroyed an enemy battleship.
I don't think he's sorry. Oh, there's another one coming right behind him.